Healthy snacks for PMS. Have you ever wondered how simple dietary choices can have a profound impact on managing the discomfort and mood swings associated with PMS premenstrual syndrome? The monthly arrival of PMS can bring a host of unwelcome symptoms, from bloating and cravings to irritability and fatigue. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In our exploration of healthy snacks for PMS, we dive into the world of nutrition, unveiling the secrets of how certain snacks can be your allies in alleviating PMS symptoms and promoting a smoother, more comfortable menstrual cycle. Get ready to embark on a journey that transforms your snack choices into tools for hormonal balance and well-being, leaving you curious about the ways in which food can provide relief during a challenging time. 1. The PMS Challenge. Our journey begins with an acknowledgement of the challenges that PMS presents. Many women experience discomfort, mood swings, and cravings during this time. 2. Nutrition for hormonal balance. To understand how snacks can help with PMS, we'll explore the role of nutrition in maintaining hormonal balance, a key factor in symptom management. 3. The snack emotion connection. PMS often comes with emotional ups and downs. We'll discuss how specific snacks can affect neurotransmitters and mood during this period. 4. Combating cravings. Cravings are a common PMS symptom. We'll delve into snack options that can satisfy cravings without compromising your health. 5. Nutrient-rich choices. Discover the importance of nutrient-dense snacks that provide essential vitamins and minerals to support your body during PMS. 6. Snacks to alleviate specific symptoms. We'll provide a variety of snack ideas tailored to different PMS symptoms, from bloating to irritability and low energy. 7. The hydration factor. Hydration plays a significant role in managing PMS. We'll discuss the importance of drinking water and choosing hydrating snacks. 8. The nurturing approach to PMS. In conclusion, healthy snacks for PMS is a testament to the fact that PMS doesn't have to be endured, it can be managed through mindful nutrition. It's not just about snacks, it's about embracing a nurturing approach to self-care during a challenging time in a woman's life. As we embark on this journey into the world of healthy snacks for PMS, you'll discover the empowering potential of snacks to alleviate discomfort and promote emotional well-being during PMS. It's a journey that connects you to the wisdom of nutrition, offering a path to a more comfortable and balanced menstrual cycle through thoughtful and delicious snack choices. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.